What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed. So check it out. I got something in this box. Something in this box that's going to be fun. Now, if you recall, which you probably don't, I did a video a while back talking about measuring my times, the 60 to whatever, to 130 or whatnot, on a GPS app. That was garbage. Well, we ain't got to do that no more. We ain't got to do that no more. And here's why. We have upgraded applications. Because these were on sale. See if you can figure out what I'm talking about. What does that say? Dragy. We got a Dragy. I'm so curious to see how this works for a couple of reasons. Last time I went to the track, the last run I made, the time slip was blank. That is boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo, boo-boo-boo-boo. And when you're doing a testing tune, are you really racing the guy next to you, or are you racing for times? Me, most of the time, I'm racing for time. So now with this Dragy, I ain't got to worry about the guy next to me. I can focus and do what I need to do. In case the machine is not working at the track, it don't matter. And I can easily store and keep track of my times. That's what's most important to me, because I like analytics and data. Now, I think this is the newest one that they have. Yeah, I think it's the newest one that they have. I already got the app loaded on my phone. I got to figure out how to mount it, and I'm gonna test it out. And for the sake of this discussion, I have already charged it up, so that part is good to go. I did not realize it was going to be this small. Now, I almost bought the suction cup mount, but I think these are gonna work just fine. We'll keep that one, probably put it in that. I don't know why, but I'll probably put it in that, because I will never go 130 in that one. I've been 120, and I can tell you, 120 is super sketch. I can't see myself doing 130, but maybe if I can find a place, maybe I can do like an 1/8 mile pull, just to see what it does in the 1/8. I don't know where I would do that at around here, but you never know, you never know. So primarily, it's gonna stay in the vet. But in the meantime, let's see if we can find, I'm gonna leave my keys up, my glasses up here, and never see them again. So let's see if we can find a place to mount it. I gotta see how you're supposed to mount it too, because I'm not sure that I know that. Now, some people say they just put them in there or put them down there in the cup holder, and it doesn't really matter. But we're gonna do it right. I think I'm gonna put it right up here, or either, yeah, I'll probably put it right there, somewhere up there. I'm not gonna keep it up there because in the summer it'll be burnt shitless. So I can tell you right now, look at that. 3M tape is garbage. So that's not gonna work. I probably should have got the suction cup, but I don't know. We may just stick it down in the cup holder like somebody said for right now. In fact, for this test run that I'm gonna make, we'll just do that. It ain't that serious. I think I found a place. For right now, we have it mounted right there. It looks stupid from the outside, but that's okay, because I have a black piece of vinyl that I actually forgot I had bought to put back up here anyway. So we got the app loaded on the phone. We're gonna load it, put the phone right there, and go take it for a spin and see if it works. Well, I guess we know it works. I mean, how well it works, because the last one, shit that I downloaded was garbage. Okay, that was fun. That was fun. Too much traffic now, so I guess I'll just get that one in, be satisfied with that. I mean, to be honest with you, what was it, like a 696 or something? I don't know if that's good or bad. I have no idea about nothing. I mainly got it for the track. I do not know if that's any good or not. Y'all let me know in the comments. But what I do know is, when I hit it at 60, these nittos were spinning. I could so feel it spinning at 60. So, I don't know about these tires. I may have to wear these out quickly and get some Mickeys for these 19s, or just stick with the drag pack and sell these hoes. I don't know. I got to figure that one out. But what I do know is, as soon as I floored it, I started spinning, and eventually it caught, obviously. So I can definitely improve that not really too concerned with 6. So just think those guys in those GTRs be doing like 3 seconds. Well, that'll humble you. That'll humble you real quick, knowing that somebody is doing a 3-second 60 to 130. That will humble you real quick. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This your boy. Peace.